Alex with Sena, and today I want to show you phone pairing for the Spider ST1. So the first step is going to be turning on the unit. You're going to press down the jog dial and the phone button back here at the same time, and you'll be greeted with hello.
Hello.
Straight out of the factory, your system should go straight into phone pairing mode. And the way you know you're in that mode is you'll have red and blue flashing lights like we have here. For example, let's say you don't, and you don't know what's going on. Don't worry. All you have to do is hold down this button back here, the phone button, until you see the red and blue flashing lights, and you'll be back in phone pairing mode.
Phone pairing.
There you go. All right, so now that you're in phone pairing mode, you're exactly where you want to be. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and grab your device. In this scenario, we have an iPad. And go ahead and open up the Bluetooth menu and go and find your device. For us, it's the Spider ST1. In the Bluetooth menu, you're going to see that it says connected. And then if you actually get your headset device, like here, the Spider, you're going to see the blue LED light. That means you're all paired, you're all set, you're finally done and complete. And after that, you don't have to do anything else. You're all paired. You can get GPS navigation, you can do phone calls, everything hands-free so you can be safe on your bike and enjoy your ride and have a better riding experience.